Hello students, how are you? In our class of today, we will study the Pythagorean theorem again, but this time in 3 dimension. It will be the class number 14 in mathematics. Okay, so let's begin. So we will have an example. Here we need to calculate the length AD of this cuboid. Okay, so we need to calculate this length AD. Okay, so let's proceed to the calculations. So as we know, the Pythagorean theorem is just used for right triangles. So we need to find a right triangle to be able to calculate AD. Okay, since here it's a 3-dimension form, so it will get more complicated to calculate it, but it will not be too difficult. We will use the same principles of the 2D Pythagorean theorem of class 13. So let's proceed. To calculate AD, we need to find a right triangle. So this is the right triangle that we will find. Here is 90 degrees. So we need to find A, C, and D to be able to find the part AD. Here, if you will see in this triangle, if you observe, we have DC and we don't have the length of AC to be able to calculate the length of AD. So, since we don't have the length of AC, we need to find another right triangle to calculate AC. This right triangle here is the projection of this right triangle. So ACD. ACD. We have CD here is 2 centimeter. It's here. We don't have AC. If we don't have AC to calculate AD, then we need to find another right triangle to calculate AC. So this part AC is here. So we can find another right triangle ABC. Finding this right triangle ABC, we will be able to calculate AC, and after we calculate AC, we will move again to this triangle or to this triangle to find AD. So we have found another triangle, right triangle ABC. We have AB here, it's 5, AB, it's 5, BC here is 3, BC 3, so it will be very easy to calculate AC. So this is the same drawing of that. So this is the right triangle. So AC square will be equal AB square plus BC square. AB square, 5 square, plus 3 square will be equal 34. So AC square will be equal 34. Now to find AC, so AC will be the root of AC square. That means is the root of the answer of AB square plus BC square. That means is the plus or minus the root of 34. So we take the positive answer, it will be the root of 34. So just to remember you, we have calculating AC using the Pythagorean theorem that we have used in the class number 13 for the Pythagorean theorem in 2 dimension. So we have drawn this triangle in 2 dimension. We have AB square plus BC square, and AC is the hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse will be AC square equal AB square plus BC square. So 5 square plus 3 square is equal 34. So AC square, it will be equal 34. So the answer will be root of AC square is equal plus or minus the root of 34. We take the positive answer, so it will be the root of 34. So AC here is equal to root of 34. So now we have found AC. So now we will move again to the same triangle that we have drawn firstly. So we will take ACD. So we have found now AC, that is root of 34 and we have CD here. So we calculate AD. AD is the hypotenuse of this right triangle. So AD square will be equal AC square plus CD square. That means it will be root of 34 square plus 2 square. It will be like that here. So AD, the value of AD will be root of AD square. The root of AD square is the root of AC square plus the root of CD square. So it will be the root of 34 plus 4. So will be the root of 38. And the root of 38 will be 6.16. So I will repeat again how we have found this value here, 6.16. So AD square is the hypotenuse, okay? AD is the hypotenuse. So AD square is equal AC square plus CD square, okay? AC square is the root of 34 square, okay? So the root of 34 square, the root of 34 square will be equal 34 plus CD square is 4, so will be 38. So this is 38. This is AD square is equal 38. Then the root of AD square will be plus or minus root of 38. We'll take the positive value, that means the root of 38 will be equal 6.16. So by that way we have found the AD that is here, okay? So you need to be careful in the homework. We have the same logic. So we have AD here. AD is the hypotenuse in the first triangle. Since we don't have this part of the right triangle, we need to take another right triangle to be able to find the missing part AC. So this is the second triangle that we have drawn here. So since we have AB and BC here, we have found AC. Then we moved back again to the first triangle here and we have found AD. Okay, so this is the class of today. I hope you have understand everything. So please, if you have any question, let me know. So the worksheet or the homework is due time tomorrow 7 p.m. Okay, please respect the deadline. Okay, thank you for your attention. Bye bye.